Rebecca, is postmodernism in any way relevant to the post-truth debate? Is the attack on a sort of linear idea of progress part of what then breaks up the discourse?
Yeah. So, well, yes, I think to some extent, but it was the postmodernists. I don't think were so widely read. They're very difficult to read, aren't they? It's just clotted with jargon, and I often wonder whether they know what they're talking about.
Would you like to name any names here, Rebecca?
Oh, no.
This is being videoed, by the way.
No. And yes. And of course, all my friends who identify as postmodern are exceptions to what I've just said. You ought to have told me it was being videoed before.
I don't make rules.
But so I don't know that really has had the place that I think the movement that I think really had an effect were the so-called science wars of several decades back, started very much by Thomas Kuhn, The Structure of Scientific Revolution. It was a widely influential book. I'm told it's still the most widely assigned book, at least in American colleges. And this was an interpretation of science, which actually my specialty is philosophy of science. That's what I had begun in. It's something I completely disagree with. I am a scientific realist. And as most scientists are, I think there are laws of nature, and we don't know them absolutely. That's what the whole scientific methodology is about. We keep falsifying, but we're getting closer and closer. And but certain things that we do know, for example, that carbon emissions cause global warming. It's perilous to doubt that. But this view of Kuhn that it's all a paradigm shift, it's akin to a religious conversion, it's a power play. The experts, the people who are the most powerful, who get declared to be the experts, they're the one who remanufacture the truth, they change the rules of the game. This interpretation and paradigm shift just became one of the most overused memes. It's a meme. Yeah, I've seen it on subway advertisements. Change your shoes, change your paradigm. All sorts of. So I think that this had a very, to my mind, deleterious effect, and prepared the way for thinking. There is no truth, and also for mistrusting experts, because for some truths, not all truths, but for some truths, we need experts. We need people who've devoted their entire life to being trained for this sort of thing.
For more debates, talks, and interviews, subscribe today to the Institute of Art and Ideas at IAI TV.